Okay, today we are going to practice the L sound in American English. So the L sound is where you just put your tongue up to your teeth, la, and push off, la. That is your typical L sound. Now, L at the end of the word is a little bit different because you just put your tongue up behind your teeth and hold for a second, and then you stop. So, for instance, the word wall, tall, my tongue just stops there. Tall, ball, wall. Okay, so we are going to practice L in some words first, and I will say them once slowly, and then I will say them a little faster in a more normal speed. So here we go. Lab, lab. Quality, quality. Checklist, checklist. Follow, follow. Look, look. Little, little. Like, like. Life, life. Mobility, mobility. Last, last. Similar, similar. Culture, culture. Calendar, calendar. Problem, problem. All, all. Launched, launched. Profitability, profitability. Leader, leader. Realize, realize. Line, line. Availability, availability. Will, will. Public, public. Really, really. Okay, let's put them in some short sentences. I just reviewed the lab results. I just reviewed the lab results. Let's talk to quality control. Let's talk to quality control. Be sure to follow the checklist. Be sure to follow the checklist. You look a little bit like her. You look a little bit like her. Increased mobility is a bonus. Increased mobility is a bonus. The last one is similar to the first. The last one is similar to the first. Her life is influenced by her culture. Her life is influenced by her culture.